Morning. So it is 7:30 in the morning and I have a meeting to go to. It is cold. It's kind of sprinkling, but it's going to rain today, as you can see. And so I was supposed to straighten my hair. I chickened out because I haven't done it in 2 years. And so with my hair being dry, I want to know, can I make it curly from dry hair? Like not wetting it, just maybe a little mist of water and some product, because if I drench my hair in water first, as we usually do, I'm gonna be real cold. So I'm gonna see, is can I do something with this? Put product in it and not wet it and make it curl. Okay, you guys, so got a little mister kit. Not gonna be making my hair all wet because I'm cold. So I got a big hair brush and I have gel and cream. I don't know what would work best for being on dry hair. So I'm gonna try each of them out and I'll go whichever one is doing better. I'm so nervous. I'm sorry I didn't get to do that hair straightening one for you. The end of my hair growing journey, straightening it, seeing how long it's gotten. It's been like a week now, more than a week now, since I did this, preparing my hair for straightening, and every single day I'm like, I can't do it, come on. So I'm sorry about that. And now it's like, okay, I need to do something with this. I have a meeting today. So let me start out with, this is gonna be a real test. For those of you who don't know what hair looks like, it's usually curly, but this is it. In all its glory. Okay. Well, let's start out with this half. Detangle it a little bit with my fingers. If you guys ever see me with like lines in here, those are indentions from sleeping with my mask on for sleep apnea. So if you ever wonder, that's all that is. It disappears eventually throughout the day. Okay, I think this is tangled enough. Okay, let's try gel. This gel is good because it has a lot of slippage, so it should be very helpful. We don't know what's gonna happen. Which is what I need. Give me a little curl head. Give me a little something. A shine. Use this to evenly distribute the product. The less wet my hair is, the quicker it will dry. I'm gonna try cream at the bottom, see what happens. Negative. Brush to evenly distribute it more, get more of the hair as well without putting more product. Okay, now I have so much hair, I usually have to break it up in threes just to do it. So my first section is always above the ear or before the ear. Let's see what I can do about that. Okay, that's enough. Oh, that's better. I wonder if combing this helps at all. Okay, I can only comb it a little bit. I do not have time for that. Okay, this is doing pretty good. Make sure I do a good job in the front of my head. Okay, get that out the way. Now, let's do this middle section. Oops. Okay. The water. Product. Thorough distribution of the product. That's pretty good. Okay. Now the last part on this side. The third. So since they don't even see the top, I can just, especially this is the part that stays wet the most on our hair, is the back, the part that doesn't get air to it because everything's on top of it. So I'm just gonna wet like here down. product as well. I'm not gonna put any product up there. You know how long it takes for my hair to get wet in the shower? Because it just goes to the top of my head, and the top of my hair is like an umbrella for the rest of my hair, like a shield, so the rest of it doesn't get wet. So I stand under it for a while, move my hair around and my head around under the shower head. So to see my hair get wet enough with just this mister, because not a lot of water comes out of here, just like a mist, is amazing. I do not need to be cold out here in a rainy day. See the difference? Wow, it's surprising. Looks like this is definitely going to be a yes. We'll see. So glad I'm finding it. Well, making this up. If it wasn't for me being in this situation, let's see this one. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Second part on this side. So that you guys know, I am still doing my 100-day no-carb diet. And I am definitely losing weight. Weigh myself every Sunday, so once a week, and it's doing really well. I do videos on that in case you don't know, so you can watch that too. I got 3 more weeks to go. And I'll be done with the 100 days. I'll complete it. So far, I'm like, I think I'm like 80 days in, or 70 something days in. I think I'm 80 days in. Today I weighed myself, so maybe I'll have 2 more weeks and 2 days. And I did measurements ahead of time so that at the end I'll measure my abdomen and all that. And you'll see my before and after weight. Okay, it's been 30 minutes since I started. I got one last part. Remember, only the ends. Don't put a lot of water at the very back of your head. It's not gonna, man, your neck's gonna hurt in the cold so much. It's gonna be dripping down your neck, your shirt, the wetness. That's the whole point of us not wetting, fully submerging our hair in water. Just letting it with the product and some mist. really trying to get it to cover all the hair by using a bristly brush. I can tell I'm losing weight. I just feel more mobile, less uncomfortable in my body. I've been walking and I've been doing arm curls, squats, and leg raises every week. And keeping track of that too. Ever since the 1st of January. So that's a while. Wow. Okay, let's see how it turns out. Really good. Okay, how am I actually gonna wear this today? To me, it's real big to perfect the very front of your hair. That's what makes it, puts it together. Because your hair curly could be as curly and crazy and voluminous as you want, but if the front of it is wild, it doesn't look that put together. So I always like to make sure to put product at the very front of your hair. Slick and bake. I should show you guys what I'm gonna wear today. Let me show you my hair. Imagine how long it probably is straight. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. That's what I'm trying to do to end the 2 years no heat hair growth journey. But I am getting so frazzled once I hold that straightener in my hair, steam coming off, smell that burnt smell, and I'm just like, tomorrow's a better day. That's all I keep doing. But I will have to do it because I need a hair trim, and I don't trim my hair when it's curly. I have to have it when it's straight. So I'm heading out. This is what my hair is looking like. It looks really good, right? Okay, I think I'm actually gonna wear it to this side. Beautiful rainy day. So I've had a very long day. What time is it? 5:15 p.m. and this is how my hair is looking, like this. Like this. It looks great. It's nice, beautiful, big hair. I got a lot of compliments on my hair today, like a lot. I would say 7 compliments on my hair, and they just said I look really nice, so I would say it's definitely a success. My hair is completely dry, which when I have it done from wet, my hair's not dry even after the first day. So I've been outside, I'm not cold or nothing, it's just I dry quickly. So definitely would recommend, now I know as well that I can make my hair curly from completely dry with very little water.